विनायकनमस्तुभ्यं सततं मोदकप्रिय निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म श्री गुरवे नमः। श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रमे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने। आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। श्रीराघवं दशरथात्मजमप्रमेयं सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वयरत्नदीपम् आजानुबाहुमरविन्ददलायताक्षं रामं निशाचरविनाशकरं नमामि। श्रीरघुरामचारुतुलसीदलधाम शमक्षमादिशृङ्गारघ्नाभिराम विजगन्नुतशौर्यरमाललाम दुर्वारुकबन्धराक्षसविराम जगज्जनकल्मषार्णवोत्तारकनाम भद्रगिरि दाशरथी करुणापयोनिधि। आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं। बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। सभेभ्यः सुप्रभातम्। So last time we completed Sarga 6, sixth Sarga, and we also mentioned how nicely Valmiki has been unfolding the description, narration of starting with how the Kosala Rajya was, in that how Ayodhya, the city, is, and how Dasharatha, the ruler of it, was, and how the citizens are from various aspects of general qualities of citizens and several vertical aspects. And then it went into Chaturanga Bala description. And today onwards we'll be starting the 7th Sarga. So before that, let's go to our Panchangam, Adhyatana Panchangam. Sharvari Nama Samvatsare Dakshinayane Hemantartau Margashirshamase Amante Paushymase for Purnimante Krishnapakshe Ekadashi Tithi till 8:47, followed by Dvadashi till tomorrow 6:22 a.m. Hiravasaraha Anurakshapram till midnight 12:20. After that Jyeshtha Nakshatram Ganda Yogaha till 25:20, which is 1:20 a.m. followed by Vriddhi Yogaha, Balava Karanam till 8:47 a.m. followed by Kaulava till 7:34 a.m. followed by Taitila till 6:22 a.m. tomorrow morning, and then Garaha. So if you see what happened today was, yesterday itself Dashami ended around 10 a.m. and so Ekadashi started. So today Ekadashi is ending very early today, 8:47. By the time we complete our session, I think Ekadashi will be over. And so Dvadashi is also overlapping. And so today you will see 4 Karanas in the day before tomorrow's sunrise. Once in a while it happens. And I think by tomorrow probably Dvadashi will almost be disappearing. And directly we might jump to Trayodashi. So with that Panchangam, good day again. Ekadashi today, very good day to start our Saptama Sarga. So Saptama Sarga onwards, he is describing now the Amatya and Mantrinaha, the ministers, sort of secretaries, ministers, his cabinet, his administration, how he is as in Dasharatha's administration. So that is what we will be starting today. So, like always, one of you can pick. We have both the Lava and Kushar there today. They can start, and after that, other adults also can follow in leading for the following slokas. So, tasya gunairasit.
Tasyamatya gunairasit.
Ikshwako sumahatmanah.
Ikshwakostu mahatmanah.
Mantrajnyaschengitagnyascha.
Mantrajnyaschengitagnyascha.
Very good. Nityam priyahite ratah.
Nityam priyahite ratah.
So, tasya atmanah, tasya amatyaah, tasya amatyaah gunaihi asam. Whose Ikshwakoh sumahatmanah tasya amatyaah gunaihi asam. They were also mantrajnyaah ingitagyascha. Nityam priyahite rataah. That's the Anvaya Vakya of it. But let's take each word to understand what they mean in much more detail. So, mantri sampattim aha tasya ityadinihi. So far, Chaturanga Bala Sampatti we have seen. Now he's talking of mantri sampatti. Mahatmanaha sarva pujya swarupakasya. Mahatma. So Dasharatha was worshipped or adored by everyone. So Mahatmanaha sarva pujya swarupasya. Gunaihi Ikshwakoho, which means Ikshwaku sadrushasya, of the Ikshwaku, like Ikshwaku, the Dasharatha. Tasya Maharaja Dasharathasya Amatyaha, the ministers were Mantrajnyaha. Mantrajnyaha means Mantraha means Karya Karya Vicharaha. What to do, what not to do. Karya Akarya Vicharaha. So they were his advisors of what to do, what not to do. They are called, that is called mantraha, and tad janati, tam janati iti mantrajnyaha. Likewise, ingitagnaha. Ingitagnaha means what? Parabhipraya veditarascha. Parabhipraya. What is the feedback from others? If we take this decision, what will be the popular opinion? What will be the feedback from people? So, Parabhipraya Veditaraha. Veditaraha is knowers. Veda, Veti, Janati. Yaha Janati saha Vedita. Veditaraha is plural. Veditarascha. So, Mantrajnyaha, Karya Karya Vichara Jnanaha, Ingitagnaha, Parabhipraya Veditarascha. Priyasya Swaminaha Hite. Priyasya means Swaminaha. Priya hite rataha. So who's Priya? Swaminaha Priya. Swami is Dasharatha. Priyasya Swaminaha hite nityam ratascha asam. So they were always in the well-wisher. They were always well-wisher, continuously wishing the best for the Dasharatha, for the Raja. Kincha Ikshwakoreva Amatyasya. Ikshwakoreva Amatyaha tasya Dasharathasya Amatyaha san ityanvayaha. So the other Anvaya given is Ikshwako, by saying Tasya Amatyaha Gunairasan Ikshwakoho. So Mahatman. Ikshwakoho means of Ikshwaku. Guroho, of Guru. Like that. So Ikshwakoho, of the Ikshwaku, whoever were Amatyaha, tasya asan. That is the another interpretation given there. So which means these Amatyas were such long living people. If you see Vasishtha, for example, Vasishtha has been living so long, right? He has been there with Dilipa. He has been there with Raghu. He has been there with Ikshvaku. And hence, that is the other interpretation given. Ikshvakoreva Amatyaha tasya Dasharathasya Amatyaha asan ityanvayaha. So all the, now next sloka onwards they'll be listing all those Mahatma, the Amatyaha, Mantrinaha, they have been there for so long. That's what it also says. And hence also they were able to continue that that ruling style, that dharma palana, those principles were continuously, there is sort of a continuum, king after king. It was not like another king takes over and suddenly things change. No, they were able to continue because of this Amatyaha and Mantrinaha, who were long living sages. Atayeva tasyastam tasya paurvakaha. In the next sloka it comes. Okay, let's go there then. Ashtau babhurvirasya.
Ashto babo virasya.
Ashtau babhurvirasya.
Ashto babo virvirasya.
Tasyamatya yashasvinaha.
Tasyamasya
Matya Yashasvina.
Tasyamatya yashasvinaha.
Tasyamatya yashasvinaha.
Shuchayaschanurakstascha.
Trishayaschanuraktascha.
Did you say Shuchayah? Shuchaya. Shuchayaschanurakstascha.
Shuchayaschanuraktascha.
Shuchayaschanurakstascha. Suchayaschanurakstascha.
No. Suchayash.
A bit confusing, yeah. Shuchayaschanurakstascha.
Suchayaschanurakstascha.
Raktascha.
One more time. We'll try one last time.
Suchayakshanuraktascha.
Suchayaschanurakstascha. Rajakrutyeshu nityashaha.
Rajakrutyenu nikshataha.
Rajakrutyeshu
Rajakrutyeshu
nityashaha.
nityashaha. So Rajakrutyeshu nishyataha.
Nityashaha.
When did you sleep last night? How late did you sleep? Because you are very good in pronunciation. I think somehow probably you didn't get good sleep or not enough energy. Very good. So Ashtau babhuvur virasya tasyamatya tasya yashasvinaha shuchayascha anuraktascha rajakrutyeshu nityashaha. So in the first line we said tasyamatyaha gunaihi asan. That's where we started, right? They were of very qualified Amatyaha, and they were of Ikshvaku. And who are they now? They are saying Ashtau babhuvuhu. There were 8 people. There happened to be 8 people. Dharma Shastrokta Sankhyaakaha Mantrinaha Santi iti bodhayan aha Ashtau iti. So as per Dharma Shastra, there should be 8 at least, first core cabinet ministers. And so Dharma Shastra Ukta Sankhyaakaha, as told by Dharma Shastra, there are 8 of them. That's how he's starting. Shuchayaha. What does Shuchayaha mean? So Shuchayaha, first meaning is Swamikarye. We all normally think Shuchaya means what? Clean and tidy, right? But here the meaning given is Shuchayaha antar shuchihi. That means their hearts are free from any, that, what is it called? That kapata. Kapata is evil, or not even evil. It is called what? To grab, to destroy the king, to ruin the king. No such wicked. They are not wicked, right? They are not wicked at heart. Is Suchayaha. So, Swami Karye Kapatya Samsargarahitaha. So, Atava, there is another, from the other Bhashya, I took that adjective, the other adjective, which is Swami Droha Chintarahitaha. They are devoid of any droha for Swami. They never think of any, what do you say, coup. There is no coup of the administration. There is no misguide and defeat the incumbent. No, there is no such bad intentions there. And hence they are called Shuchayaha. So by saying Shuchayaha, two similar definitions, but with two different names from Shiromani and Tilaka Bhashyas, are Kapatya Samsargarahitaha from Shiromani, Swavidroha Chintarahitaha from Govinda Bhashya. That is Tilaka Bhashya. And Rajakrutyeshu Tad Anushtaneshu. So Rajakrutyeshu means whatever, because their first aim is to make sure that this king is safe, is able to perform his duties well. So Tad Anushtanam, just as our Vaidika Nitya Anushtanam, there is a Vayaktika Anushtanam. But as a Raja, he is a Rajarshi. So their Anushtanam is day-to-day affairs and all that they have to handle, make sure that Dharma is followed by everyone and is enabled to be followed by everyone. So that Anushtanam, Rajakrutyeshu Tad Anushtaneshu Eva, only in that, Nityashaha, always, every moment, moment by moment, Nityashaha Anuraktaha. Anuraktaha means Tatparaha, means that is the ultimate thing for them. Tatparaha, there is nothing beyond it. For those for whom this Rajakarya is the ultimate thing, they are Anuraktaha, Tatparaha. And Yashasvinaha means Kirtimantaha. Well, they were popular people. They were popular across the world. Virasya Tasya Maharajadirajasya Amatyaha Ashtau Eva Babhuvuhu. There were 8 of them happened to be. Mantrinaha. Okay, then there is another small Shastra Vakyam here. Mantrinaha Saptava Ashtava Prakurvita Parikshitan iti Manuhu. Manu Smriti, he says that there should be 7 or 8 Mantrinaha, and they should be Parikshitan. They should have been well tested. That means they should have passed. They should be eligible people. You would not pick just because he got more majority or whatever, but that they should be the right people for it. Parikshitan iti Manuhu. Next sloka. Drishtirjayanto Vijayaha.
Drishtirjayanto Vijayaha.
Surashtro Rashtravardhanaha.
Surashtro Rashtravardhanaha.
Akopo Dharmapalascha.
Ashoko Dharma. Akopo Dharmapalascha.
Sumantraschashtavit.
Can you say that again, Bhukaji?
Sumantraschastamo.
Sumantraschastamo.
Arthavit.
Arthavit.
That was the typo there. I put in. It is Arthavit. So they said 8. Who are they? Now he is listing their names. Drishtihi Jayantaha Vijayaha Surashtraha Rashtravardhanaha Akopaha Dharmapalascha and Sumantraha Cha Ashtamaha Arthavit. So तत्तन्नामान्याः दृष्टिरिति दृष्टिः प्रथमः जयन्तश्च द्वितीयः विजयश्च तृतीयः. So I think some good students would be there who will make notes. Who are the 8 ministers of Dasharatha will be a question in the test. Right? So somebody must be making these notes. So Vijayascha Tritiyah. Now there is Siddhartha. There are 2 pathas between. There are 2 versions. In certain other ones, they say Siddhartha is the name instead of Surashtra. Likewise, Ardha Sadhakascha Panchamaha instead of Rashtravardhanaha. Somebody is saying something? So Siddharthascha Chaturthaha, Artha Sadhakascha Panchamaha. But in other patha which we are reading, the original sloka, it is Surashtraha is the Chaturthaha, Rashtravardhanaha is the Panchamaha. Likewise, Ashokascha Shashtaha. So Leena is reading the other text. That's why she read Ashoka. You have the other text in front of you.
Yeah, Ashoka is written in. Yeah.
Right. So both patha are there. Ashoka patha is there. Akopo is also there. So Akopo Dharma, and then Ashokascha Shashtaha Mantrapalascha. So that is the other name in the other text. Dharmapala is in this text. So Mantrapalascha Saptamaha, Sumantrascha Ashtamaha Abhavat. But among all of these, Sumantra is the one at least we know. As we go in Balakanda further, we will see Sumantra, who will be leading Rama to the Sarayu and all of that, right? Sorry, in the Ayodhya Kanda, Sumantra will be, playing a little bigger role there, or will be visible a lot more. Such अन्यत्रापि अन्वेति सुराष्ट्रो राष्ट्रवर्धनः अकोपो धर्मपालश्च सुमन्त्रश्च अष्टमो अर्थवित् इति भट्टटीकांकित पुस्तकेषु पाठः. So in the commentaries written by Bhattaji, in that these are the names used, which is Akopo, Dharmapalaha, Sumantraha, these are Surashtro, Rashtravardhanaha. These names are used in Bhatta Tika. Tika is in commentary. In the other ones, as you have all read, Siddhartha, Arthasadakaha, Ashokaha, Mantrapalaha. Those are the names in the other commentary. But no matter what, whatever are those names. The next sloka will go. Rutvijaudvavabhimatau.
Rutvijaudvabhimatau.
Rutvijau
Dvavabhimatau. Tasya
Rishi Satta. Right now only Prajna is repeating, others mute. Next sloka onwards, each other also can repeat. Right now Prajna is repeating, so let her continue. Tasyastam Rishi Sattamau Visishto Vamadevascha Mantrinascha Tatha Pare. The 8 names of them are already read out. Now he continues to narrate their qualities. Arunji, can you mute Arunji? Good. So their qualities, and here onwards several slokas about their qualities only. So Rutvijau means Rutvijo Ganayannaha Rutvijavityadi Slokadvayena Tasya Maharajadiraja Dasharathasya Abhimatau. Abhimatau means sakala jnana visishtau. Those who have, see, abhimatau is abhimatam. Abhimatam means your opinion or your opinion. Yeah. But your opinion should not be without, it should be a well-informed opinion. Right? So these mantris and mantrinaha, they are sakala jnana visishtau. They are knowledgeable of all the affairs, and hence they are abhimatau, ritvijau. Ataeva rushi sattamau. They are the best of the rushi sattamaha. They are the best of the rishis. Sarva rishi sreshtau. For example, vasishtau, vamadevascha, ityetau dvau. For example, these two are mentioned especially significantly. Vasishta, Vamadeva. Those were the best of the Rishi Sattamau who were there, Ritvijau. Atha Mangala Pradau, Ritvijau, Nityam Astam, Abhavatam. They were always there as the Ritviks. Because as a Raja, they have to continuously perform yajnas for the welfare of the society and the world. And so to perform the best yajnas in the right way, you need the best Ritviks. And so that were Vasishta and Vamadeva. Let's continue. Now others can follow. Anybody can start. Suyajnopyatha jabalihi.
Suyajnopyatha jabalihi.
Suyajnopyatha jabalihi.
Suyajnopyatha jabalihi.
Jabalihi. Kashyapopyatha gautamaha.
Kashyapo yatha gautamaha.
Kashyapopyatha.
Kashyapo yatha.
Pyatha. Kashyapaha api. Kashyapopi yatha. Atha. Kashyapopyatha. Kashyapopyatha.
Pyatha gautamaha.
Markandeyastu dirghayuhu.
Markandeyastu dirghayu.
Tatha katyayano dvijaha.
Tatha katyayano dvijaha.
So more of their Ritviks and all that they are other sages that they are with them. For example, Suyajnyaha atha apare. So there is this where is that apare coming? Katyayana. Suyajnopyatha jabalihi Kashyapo api atha gautamaha markandeyastu dirghayuhu tatha katyayano dvijaha. In the previous sloka, if you see, Vasishto Vamadevascha Mantrinascha tatha pare. They said, right? So they are trying to say now, what is atha pare? Abhyam bhinnaha mantrinaha. So Vasishtaha and Vamadevaha were Ritvik. Apare, the others are so and so that they are being listed. Mantrinaha, Veda mantra drashtaraha. The other definition here of mantri is Veda mantra drashtaraha. Those visionaries, those seers of the Veda mantras are the mantrinaha definition here. And who are they? Suyajnyaha, Jabalischa, Kashyapaha, Gautamaha. They say, if you listen to our Pravachanakartas, they say, just repeating these names you get punya, they say. They're all such great sages, not ordinary people. They're not just ordinary pandits, not just ordinary scholars. They were sages who have done tapas and mantra drashtaraha, Veda mantra drashtaraha. So you just repeat their names. That itself is a great punya. So Suyajnyaha, Jabalischa, Kashyapaha, Gautama. Let's repeat. Suyajnyaha. Now, Dhirendraji, you repeat because you have repeated this sloka.
Suyajnyaha.
Kashyapaha.
Kashyapaha.
Gautamaha.
Gautamaha.
Jabalihi.
Jabalihi.
Dirghayur Markandeyaha.
Dirgayu Markandeya.
Dvijaha. So these are some of the names there. And we all know Markandeya's story, right? All of us know. He was a very short span child, but because of his tapas, Shiva comes and even, beats Yama. And so he gets Dirghayu. And that Markandeya continues to be one of the Dvijaha of Ikshvaku. So Dirghayuhu Markandeyascha Dvijaha. Dvijaha, when he says Aneka Dvija Vishishtaha. Dvijaha by saying not just one, but Aneka Dvija Vishishtaha. Several such significant Dvijaha. Katyayanaha. Remember, Katyayanaha. Let's repeat the name.
Katyayanaha.
So that is another great Katyayana Rishi. Ritvijo Abhavat iti Seshaha. So all of these, so other group of Ritviks in addition to Vasishta and Vamadeva. Dvija Shabdasya Avritya Pratyekam Anvayetu. Okay, so that's saying by using Dvija, that applies to all other Pratyekam. Apidvayam tatha tu shabdau chartha atha shabdau mangalarthakah slokadvayam ekanmaye. Yeah, by saying atha, if you say Suyagno api atha, Kashyapah api atha, by using that atha is a mangala shabdam we say. Because if you say most of the adhyayas also, they start with atha, because atha is a good word, is a mangala word, so they use that. Or Shri, that's how they start any kavya starting, etc. So atha is a mangala shabda that they have used, they say.
Mogaji, what is the relevance of Dvij word here? Dvij doesn't mean like second. That's what I think, correct? It means Dvij.
No. Dvija. Ja, we said several times. What is ja? Suffix means?
Born. 2 times born.
Born. Born of. So, and we gave this quoted several times the example. Padmaja. One who is born out of Padma. Lakshmi Devi, for example, we say. Vanaja. One who is born out of Vana. Janaka. Dasharathaja or Dasharathatmaja. Born of Dasharathatma. So also, here it is Dvija. One who is born twice. What does it mean?
Upanayan and natural birth.
One is a physical birth, but when he gets to study the, Brahma Padartha, and when it starts to take up that study, for which he goes to a Gurukula with the ceremony of Upanayanam, right? Then he becomes a Dvija, because that is his second birth in knowledge. Just a physical birth means nothing. So that is the Dvija. So they were all such scholars who have obtained that knowledge as their second life. That is what it means. So let's continue with the next sloka. Somebody else can follow. Etair brahmarshibhir nityam.
Etair brahmarshibhir nityam.
Ritwijastasya paurvakaha.
Ritwijastasya paurvakaha.
Vidya vinita khrimantah.
Vidya vinita khrimantah.
Kushala niyatendriyaha.
Kushala niyatendriyaha.
Very good. So everybody else also on mute. We will be repeating this sloka, right? Because all of us want to at least read this sloka once. So etaihi brahmarshibhihi nityam ritvijaha tasya paurvakaha vidyavinitaha khrimantaha kushalaha niyatendriyaha. Sometimes I think, can we come up with so many adjectives in English? How many adjectives? Oh my God! The last several chapters has only been adjectives, right? Qualifiers, so many qualifiers, qualifier after qualifier after qualifier after qualifier. And every qualifier is a definitive, meaning defining a quality. And what vocabulary, what language is this? And what poets are, how great poets are our, ancestors. Oh my God. So they are continuing the qualities. So here onwards, there are two, the Tilaka Bhashyam and the Bhushana, which is the Shiromani Bhashyam. These two, they take the next adjectives onwards. One takes them as adjectives of Paurvakaha. The other Bhashyam, Govinda Bhashyam, takes it as adjectives of the Mantrinaha. These are the qualities of their mantris and all these Rishi Saptamaha. But Shiromani Bhashyam takes it as, because the word Paurvakaha is there here, as all the following qualities from here through rest of the Sarga, as all of those qualities of their Paurvakaha, their Purvajaha, their ancestors. So both two interpretations are there. Either way it is fine, whether these great qualities are of their ancestors or of their current cabinet, current ministers, and Rishi Saptamaha. Either way it is good for us. Most important for us is to understand these qualities so that we can appreciate how should a cabinet, how should rulers, advisors, how should the rulers' first core circle of secretaries should be. So atha mantri gunan prapanchayati sarga seshena. In the rest of the sarga, in the rest of the entire chapter of about 20 plus shlokas here, it will be mantri gunan prapanchayati. He is narrating the mantri gunaha. Tasya Maharajadhirajasya Dasarathasya Paurvakaha Pitradayah Etaihi Prasiddhaihi Brahmarshivihi. By these great popular Brahmarshis, Vasishtadibhihi, by Vasishta, Jabali, and all other names that we read, Vamadeva, Suyajna, and all, right? At least I think we should remember those names. Do we remember those names? Vasishta, Vamadeva. Then we started with Suyajna, Jabali, Kashyapaha, Gautamaha, Katyayanaha, and so we should remember those names.
Oh, and then Katyaya Dvija.
Dvijaha means
This is Katyaya's brother.
Katyayana. So those names, right? So by such Brahmarshibhihi, Ritvijaha, Yaga Kartaraha, those who are the performers of the Yaga are Ritvijaha, Asan. So one first definition given is their Paurvakaha, the ancestors of Dasharatha, were Yaga Kartaraha by these Vasishtadi Brahmarshibhihi. That is one bhashyam, one definition. Paurvaka Gunan Varnayannaha Vidya Ityadibhihi. In the next shloka onwards, Vidya Vinitaha Shrimantaha Kushala, and probably around 60 qualities also will come in these 20 shlokas. All these qualities, in one bhashyam it says, Paurvaka Gunan Varnayan Aha, as these are qualities of their Paurvaka, of their ancestors. But in the other normal, in the Govinda bhashyam, it says, no, these are the qualities of their Mantrinaha, of their mantras. Right? Okay. So what are the Vidya Vinitaha? Prapta Sakala Vidyaya Vinitaha. So, having obtained all education, and Sakala Vidya, see, the biggest difference is, in the old education, we wanted to be educated with all fields. Common knowledge should be there. And then you might specialize later as a Shastri in one of those Shastras. But by default, you should have studied everything, so that you are not, that one is not a half-empty bottle. No, everybody should be a full empty bottle. After that, they can be, outside they can be decorated with further specialization in any one Shastra to become a Shastri. So sakala vidya, prapta sakala vidyaya vinitaah. Because what do we say? Vidya dadati?
Vidya dadati vinayam.
Vidya dadati vinayam. And one who has vinayam is vinitah. One who has vinayam is vinitah. So, prapta sakala vidyaya vinitah. That is the first quality of them. Vidya vinitah means by being educated, you should be a humble person, not an arrogant person. Oh, I am from Harvard, you are from whatever other, let's say Santa Clara, whatever. That should not be there. The more better you are educated, the more humble and respectful of others should one be. That is the first quality. Vidya vinitah. And Hrimantah. So, Saralah, Vidya vinitah means Saralah. Kincha, Vidyasu vinitaha, Sikshitaha, Ataiva Hrimantah. So, Vidya vinitaha immediately also substantiated by Hrimantah. There is Hri quality, which is not shy, but humble related docileness. That is called Hri. So, Hri is another important quality of anybody that we would want to appreciate and put at a higher position. So with Vidya anyway you get Vinayam, and also you should be Hriman, Hrimantaha. Ateva Hrimantaha. Janapavada Vishayi Bhuta Karma Vaigunya Lajjavantaha. So Hri is Lajja related, right? It is shy, but sort of not exactly shy for other reasons. But here the quality, the qualification of that shyness given is Janapavada Vishayi Bhuta Karma Vaigunya Lajjavantaha. They are Lajjavantaha. They would feel Lajja. They would be shyful. Of what? Of Karma Vaigunyam. Karma Vigunam. Vigunam in Karma. That means Vikrutagunam. There should not be unnecessary digressions, unnecessary diversions from the action. At least for what sake? If not for your own conviction, at least for Janapavada. You don't want to be blamed by others. Right? Nobody should point a finger at us. For that sake, constantly aware of it. Shy is a bad word. I mean, it's not a right word for it. Constantly aware of it and conscious of it is that Lajjavantaha. So, Janapavada Vishayi Bhuta Karma Vaigunya Lajjavantaha is Hrimantaha. Atayeva Kushalaha. Because they are in Karma, there is no Vaigunya. So, they are Kushalaha. Kushalaha means Sarva Satkarma Nipunaha. They are adept, they are skillful, they are perfect in the actions. So, Kushalaha. Sarva Satkarma Nipunaha. Atayeva Niyata Indriyaha. Niyata Indriyaha. Niyamita Antarbahir Ubhaya Karanaha. Antarkaranaha, Bahir Karanaha. Most of us will try to be at least Niyamita or controlled of our Bahir Karanaha. Right, with hands, legs, and face, all of these we try to. But Antahkaranaha, such as Manaha, Buddhi, Chittam, what about them? So they are Niyata Indriyaha, Antarbahischa, Ubhaya Karanaha, Niyamitaha. That is the definition there of Niyata Indriyaha. We'll continue with the next sloka. Srimantascha Mahatmanaha.
Srimantascha Mahatmanaha.
Shastrajna Drudha Vikramaha.
Shastrajna Drudha Vikramaha.
Vikramaha. Kirtimantah Pranihitaha.
Kirtimantah Pranihitaha.
Yatha Vachanakarinah.
Can you say that again? You were breaking up.
Yatha Vachanakarinah.
Yatha Vachanakaritah. Karinah.
Very good. So more qualities. Srimantascha Mahatmanaha. शास्त्रज्ञाः दृढविक्रमाः कीर्तिमन्तः प्रणिहिताः यथा वचनकारिणः. Beautiful definition. Rest all anyways. Yatha vachanam karinah. Whatever word they give, they implement that. No more, never standing away from it. And that is why we always said, right? That is why their kulam pran jaye par vachan na jaye. Satya parakrama yatha vachana karinah. Now, so Srimantaha, Lakshmi Vishishtaha. How is that a quality of ministers? So, because our definition of Sri always means Lakshmi means only currency, money, wealth. But Lakshmi quality, the name of Lakshmi has several personal character traits. Shuchihi. Most of the Ashtanga qualities are actually Lakshmi qualities. Shuchihi, Niyataha, Anushtanam, timely getting up and doing things, being punctual, any positive quality, any positive personal trait is a Lakshmi quality, they say. And so only they say, if there is Lakshmi, then Saraswati comes. Anyway, so Lakshmi Vantaha, Lakshmi Vishishtaha, by saying Srimantaha, that means they are all of pure positive qualities. Then Mahatmanaha, Pujya Swarupaha. As we heard, just those names, I mean, each name is a Pujya Swarupa. Right? Suyajna, Javani, Katyayana, Gautama, Kashyapaha. Oh my God, they are all great. Some of them are even Gotrakara. Right? So, Shastrajnaha, Dhanurveda Pratipadita Shastra Vishayaka Jnanavantaha. So Dhanurveda is the primary Veda or Upaveda for Shastra Astra Vishayaha, right? So as described in those texts, these are knowledgeful. They are knowledgeable of those texts. So Shastrajnaha. Then Dridhavikramaha means Achala Parakrama Visishtaha. If you are Dridham, means Achalam. Right? Dridham means what? Something that is Achalam. Even if somebody comes and hits you, you are so strong that you won't even. Aisa bhi nahi hota. That is Achala. That is Dridha. So Dridhavikramaha. Achala Parakrama Visishtaha. Shastrajna iti pathe. So there is another pathantra where they say, instead of Dridhavikrama, they also say Shastrajnaha. Shastra Pratipadita Shastra Nipunaha ityarthaha. And Kirtimantaha, Prashasta Yashoyuktaha. Very impeccable fame, impeccably famed people. Iti Kirtimantaha. Pranihitaha. Nikhila karmasu anavadhana sarhitaha. That is the first quality given or definition given of pranihita. Pranihita means nikhila karmasu, in all the actions, not in some of the actions. Nikhilam, in all the actions, nikhila karmasu anavadhana rahitaha. Avadhanam is attention. We say savadhan, right? Be attentive. Sa avadhanam, savadhanam. So without attention is anavadhana. Anavadhana rahitaha. They are never unattentive. Ones who cannot be unattentive is anavadhana rahitaha. So nikhila karmasu anavadhana rahitaha is pranihitaha. The other bhashyam, in the other bhashyam, the word given there is Rajya Karyeshu Apramattaha. Apramattaha is, Pramattaha is, jiska mat ho gaya. Somebody who is unconscious or whatever, is mattaha. Apramattaha, no, it's not like that. Ninareta Vesa is awake. That means conscious and what do we call it? Attentive, conscious, looking around, for everything that is happening. So that is called Rajyakaryeshu Apramattaha. They are constantly on the vigil, collecting intelligence information and collecting people's popular opinions, collecting what's going on, wrong, right, etc. And both internally and from outsiders. So kincha pranaha, pranihitaha means the other Vyutpatti definition given is pranaha means sadharma pratigya. Pranaha means sat dharma pratigya. The oath to for sat dharma is pranaha. So sadharma pratigya asti yesham te prananaha. So pranaha yasya asti te prananaha. They are prananaha. Yesham hitaha tad dharma sadhakaha ityarthe. So one who are well-wishers of sadharma pratigya, they are pranihitaha. So prana shabdasya pratigya vachakatvam koshe prasiddham. Prana is also for pratigya. Pratigya for what? Sadharma. And whoever have taken pratigya for sadharma, being wishers, well-wishers of them, is pranihitaha. We should remember all these definitions. So then we will enjoy these terms, and then we can not enjoy. We can live those when we read those texts. Okay, and then yatha vachana karinaha yathoktavantaha tathaiva kurvanti natu yatha uktam tathaiva kurvanti natu, but not manasyanyat vachanasyanyat karmanyanyat. One you say and feel something else in your manas. You feel something and vachas anyat. Na. You say something karmani anyat. Na. Vikaranam api shuddhi chet yatha vachana karinaha. Iti satya pratigya ityarthaha. Somebody else can repeat up now. Teja kshama yasha praptaha.
Oh, there are too many people now. Okay.
Go ahead, Shiranji. Teja kshama yasha praptaha.
Teja kshama yasha praptaha.
See, yasha praptaha. With sandhi it becomes yashaf. Yashaf praptaha.
Teja kshama yasha praptaha.
Smita purva bhibhashinaha.
Smita purva bhibhashinaha.
Krodhat kamartha heturva.
Krodhat kamartha heturva.
Na bruyuranrutam vachaha.
Na bruyuranrutam vachaha.
So they are continuing with their Satya Vachanam. Na bruyuhu, they would never utter. Anrutam, Ratam is truth, Anrutam, untruth, false. Na bruyuhu anrutam vachaha, never would they say anrutam vachaha, untruthful sentences or untruthful statements. They would never say false things. When krodhat kama artha hetorva, either by krodha, by anger, or by kama artha hetoho, for the reasons of desire, for fulfilling their desires, or artha, for their material, for either fulfilling their desires or for wealth, nor out of anger would they ever bruyuhu anrutam vachaha. And how are the other qualities? Tejaha kshama yasha praptaha. Tejascha kshama cha yasha praptaha. Attatya yasha shabdaha nitya pravruddha yasha paraha. Purvatra kirti shabdaha pratapa parova. So because there was kirtimantaha before, now again yasha word is used. So ato na paunarutyam, because one of the qualities or one of the definitions of a kavyam is or not even definition, what they say is one of the criteria of kavyam is punarukti should not be there. There should be a lot of adjectives, but punarukti should not be there. Same thing should not be described twice. Same meaning should not come. Each time you say another name or another adjective, it should mean something else, or you should imply, the kavi should imply another meaning for it. That is called, otherwise it is called punaha uktihi, are redundant. So to avoid the redundant meaning between kirtimantaha before and yashaha, now the way they are trying to define these two is, for yasha shabdaha nitya pravruddha yashaha paraha. So those who, for whom continuous day after day the fame keeps increasing. Let's call it the ratings. If you call in media terms, what is that called? What ratings is it? Whatever that viewership ratings,
TRP rating,
TRP, popularity ratings, etc. Right? Even for governments also, for president also, they run the popularity rating, right? Here, what is that called? I forgot. President, people's faith in him kind of ratings they run. Oh, now it fell down from 80 to 70. Next month again,
approval ratings.
Approval ratings. Correct. So that is nitya pravruddha yashaha. By saying yashaha, atratya yashaha shabdaha nitya pravruddha yasha paraha. So the approval ratings is the meaning of the yashaha. Purvatra, in the previous sloka, kirti shabdaha pratapa paraha. That is more about pratapa, about their valor. The fame due to valor versus fame due to approvals. Approval rating versus, their valor ratings. So that is the difference between kirtimantaha and yashaha as used, or as used by Valmiki and as interpreted by our bhashyakaraha. Ato na punarukyam. Smita purva vibhashinaha. Beautiful one. It is used even for Rama also. And so all of them have that quality. Smitam purvam yasmin tad abhibhashante tat shilaha. One whose shila, one whose character is yasmin purvam smitam abhibhashante. Before their speech, there is a smile. And I see this in our Padma Kumarji, in Sanskrit Bharati. 1 hour, 2 hours of his class, continuously he has a smile on his face. He will be talking continuously with a smile. And I always try to learn that, how to keep that smile while I am talking. My feelings keep changing. So that is a good quality. Let us all try to practice. Smita purva vibhashina. Keeping that smile always and before we talk. Smile first and then talk. So that means when your mouth opens, first open with a smile and then let sound come. Right? That is smita purva bhivashina. So, and krodhat kamartha hetorva, krodhat krodha hetoho, kamartha hetoho, kamarupartha hetoho, na anrutam sat asatyam, athva satyam bhinnam, vacho na bruyuhu. They would never say that. So one more time. Tejaha, Shama, Yashaha, Praptaha. They have obtained the Tejaha, Kshama and Yashaha. And Smita Purva Bhivashinaha. Rodhat Kamartha Hetorva Na Bruyuhu Anrutam Vachaha. Such great qualities for us to learn also. And hence I'm still, keeping my hopes and expectations that we are wanting to, or rather we have taken up to write these documents. What should be qualities of good people? Right? If we listen to these slokas and then we go, fine, but hey, what is the next thing to do? That's first good step. The next step is to remember it. The third next step is to document it for others. Right? Blog them, write write-ups. Smita Purva Bhivashi. Why? As we said, describe it in as detail as you can. What is Smita Purva Bhivashi? Did you see such people? So such self what is it called? Forgetting the word. Yeah. So put your things, put your self opinions there, or self experiences there. Next shloka, somebody else can repeat. Tesham aviditam kinchit.
Tesham aviditam kinchit.
Veshu nasti pareshu va.
Veshu nasti pareshu va.
Kriyamanam kritam vapi.
Kriyamanam krutam vapi.
Charenapi chikirshitam.
Charenapi chikirshitam.
I mean, so many good qualities. Sometimes I think, if you read so many qualities in one session itself, I think we'll be overwhelmed and we may not remember. Which one should I follow this week? At least one quality to follow this week. So many good qualities. Tesham aviditam kinchit nasti. Viditam, one that is known. Aviditam, unknown. There is nothing unknown for them. Sveshu pareshuva. In their own aspects or in others, in their own affairs or in others. Sveshu pareshuva tesham kinchit aviditam nasti. And in what? Of what? Kriyamanam kritam vapi charena api chikirshitam. Kriyamanam, currently being done. Kritam, that was already done. Chikirshitam charanepi. Charenapi. Chikirshitam, wanting to do, willing, wishing to do. So in the present, past, nor in the future, there is nothing that they are not aware of. Is the quality of their mantrina. Again, as I said in the very beginning, the shloka 6th, there is one bhashyam which keeps pointing or which keeps focusing all these towards their paurvakaha. Most of the other bhashyas, they reflect them towards the mantrina, because this whole sarga is about mantris qualities. So all these mantris, Vishatattama, Dvijaha, these are qualities of them. Let's take it as of them. Paurvakaha anyways were such great people, we all know it. So Sveshu means mitreshu is one definition. Means of your well-wishers, of your first close circle. And that is Sveshu means mitreshu. From the other bhashyam, the definition is Swarashtriya Vrittanteshu. Within their nation, within the Kosala or within the Bharatara, in the Rashtra. Swarashtriya Vrittanteshu, in the affairs of their Rashtra. Pareshu. Pareshu means, because Sveshu is Mitreshu, Pareshu is Shatrushu, in the foes, in the enemies, outsider enemies. Or in the other bhashyam, the definition given is Pararashtriya Vrittanteshu. So in our own people or in our foes, in our country's affairs or of external affairs, there is nothing that they know of, or that they do not know of. So Sveshu, Mitreshu, Swarashtriya Vrittanteshu, Pareshu, Shatrushu, Pararashtriya Vrittanteshu, Charena, Charamukhena. Charas are spies or intelligence agents. Through them, Kritam, that is past. Kriyamanam ativa. Chikirshitam, the one that you want to do. So Tesham Paurvakanam, so because as I said, right, in the other bhashyam, all these are referred to Purvaja, Paurvakaha. So Tesham Paurvakanam, Sveshu, Atmiyeshu, Pareshu, Tataha Bhinneshu. Others from your Atmiya. Cha Kriyamanam, Vartamana Vrittam. Everything that is happening in the current affairs, current times, is Kriyamanam. Kritam, Bhutakalika Vrittam, everything that has happened. Yaccha Chikirshitam, Bhavishyat Kalika Vrittam. Chikirshitam, that you want to do, that you have not yet done, you want to do. Tacha Charena, karanabhutena aviditam vidita bhinnam nasti. That's how that great quality of them, that is of the past, of the present, of the future, for their or among their friends and internal affairs, nor about the foes, the enemies or external affairs. There is nothing that they are not aware of through their intelligence agents. That means such perfect and to the dot meticulous was their intelligence department. Kushala Vyavahare. Next, somebody. We have 5 more minutes. I will complete this shloka. Kushala Vyavahareshu.
Kushala Vyavahareshu.
Sauhrideshu Parikshitah.
Sauhrideshu Parikshitah.
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 Praptakalam Yatha Danda.
Praptakalam Yatha Dandam.
Dharayeyus Suteshvapi.
Dharayeshu Suteshvapi.
Dharayeyuh Suteshvapi.
Dharayehu Suteshvapi.
So, Kushala. Vyavahareshu Kushalaha. What is Vyavahar? Nishchitartha Pratipadaneshu Kushalaha. That's the meaning. Nishchitartha. Already previously, whatever is the agenda, whatever is the 5-year plan or budget, all of that, right? The administration, everything that they do for planning for the year or for next term. So, Nishchitartha Pratipadaneshu Kushalaha. Samartha. They are capable, so abundantly, completely capable of executing the plans. That is Vyavahareshu Kushala. Then Sauhridam. Sauhridam means Vishaya Vishesha Gata Dosham Doshatvena Agranhan Chitta Vritti Visheshaha. That's a big definition given of this one word called Sauhridam, because it is following with the next one. Sauhrideshu Parikshitah. That means Parikshitah they are examined in Sauhridam. Are they? So if you take in a normal way, are they the simple? What is it called? Are they? What is that word called? Partial is the other word. What is it called? Demo? No. Of your relatives, doing favors for your relatives. What is that word? How did I forget that? Being partial to your relatives. What is that? Huh? Nepotism. Right? So nepotism. So, Sauhrideshu Parikshitah. They are examined to be non-nepotic. I mean, if I can say nepotic as an adjective of nepotism. So, but how is that nepotism defined? Sauhridam means Vishaya Vishesha Gata Doshan Adoshatvena Agrandhan Chitta Vritti Visheshaha Tatra Parikshaha. So, Vishaya Vishesha Gata Doshan. So, in certain matters, in certain disciplines, in certain, tasks to be executed, Gata Doshan, if there were any, errors, blunders, or corrupt actions committed, Adoshatvena. No, that is not a mistake, that is not okay, that's okay. It was done due to some other reason. It's a making up, covering up. It's called Adoshatvam. Gata Doshan, Adoshatvena Agrandhan. Adoshatvena Grandhan means you take it up. Agrandhan, you don't take up. Dosha is dosha. No making up, no covering up, no, hiding it. So, Vishaya Visheshagata Doshan Adoshatvena Agrandhan Chitta Vritti Visheshaha. Such mental stability or such mental ability is Sauhardam, Sauhridam here. Sauhrudeshu Parikshitah. They are tested for it. So they never are partial, they never have nepotism, they never are biased to certain categories or people or whatever. And so, Mantrinaha, Suteshwapi, even in their children, Suteshu api, Prapta Kalam means Prapta Saparadhatva Lakshana Kalam. If ever that time comes when even their children have committed an aparadha, Dandam Dharayeyuhu, Pravartayeyuhu, they will not, they will execute the danda, the punishment. So even in their children, when it comes to the time of a mistake, a blunder, a sin, a violation, an aggression committed by their children also, they will make sure that the punishment, justice is done, that the punishment is given to them. So, Prapta Kalam Yatha Dandam Dharayeyuhu Suteshwapi. Is it time? Abba, what a time, 8:30. Should we stop here? Okay, we'll just read the sloka and stop here. So that because we came to the sloka, we'll not. And Ekadashi, right? Let us do 11 slokas. Today is Ekadashi. Let's do 11 slokas. Somebody else who will repeat? Somebody else repeat now. Kesha Sangrahane Yukta.
Tesha Sangrahane Yukta.
Did you say K? Kesha.
K, yeah, I said K. Kesha Sangrahane Yukta.
Balasya cha parigrahe.
Balasya cha parigrahe.
Ahitam chapi purusham na.
Ahitam chapi purusham na.
Himsyuravidushakam.
Himsyuravidushakam.
Very good. So the dandam, the punishment that they give, in the previous sloka they said about their own children. Now, how is that dandam given is being elaborated in this sloka, which we'll take up in the next session onwards. We'll stop with Mangala Slokam and then we can do the regular chapter. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pasyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.